So our last day in Kyoto. So musings in Kyoto. What are life lessons you learned from Kyoto, Cindy?
So we've in total been about a month in Osaka and a little less than a month in Kyoto. And for us, being in Japan, specifically being in Kyoto, has been such a, a quiet time of contemplation, and for us to just kind of like reset, spend some time trying to think about what's important to us rather than kind of being on autopilot and just repeating pre-scripted, kind of expected ideas that like we kind of end up just mimicking over time, like just basically thinking about like what's really important to us rather than just kind of being on this cycle of repeating what others expect us to think.
So what's important to you?
So one thing for us that we learned is like what's really important for me is that learning is really, really critically important
Mm.
to defining like what type of work I do, and our relationship too is that as long as we keep learning from each other, from the world, that's kind of the purpose of life for me.
Yeah, I'm the same way too. Is for me, the purpose of learning is for my own self-edification, my own self-empowerment, but also to share these lessons with you and the rest of the world.
Look at this beautiful
So,
sunset.
the world is a beautiful
The
place.
blue